Today we will be painting and assembling HOn3 kit from Ride Trains. This kit is the Salida Parlor car. This car was primarily used on the Shivano trains between Montrose and Salida in the 1940s. The kit includes instructions, body, interior, underframe, window glass, trucks, and screws. Caddy wheels and couplers have been purchased separately. I will spend some time inspecting, cleaning, and sanding the parts, checking fit as I go. I sand the tops of the trucks as shown in the instructions. I also sand the edges of the underframe. The underframe holes are drilled out for truss rods that will be installed later. I then drill and tap the body 0090 for the couplers. The underframe is tapped 632 for the truck mounting screws. I will be using a high-quality enamel paint, so will airbrush directly onto the parts. If I were to use an acrylic paint, I would prime the parts first with an enamel primer. I like Tamiya Fine White Primer. The body is painted Pullman green. I'm careful to spray in every direction to get all the edges and corners. While waiting for the body to dry, I paint the interior. I'm using a burgundy color for the upholstery. I hand paint the white linen that was placed on the headrests of this first-class coach. Once the paint has had a suitable amount of time to dry, I mask the clear story windows and body. I can slide masking tape behind the ornate railings. I then paint the roof, railings, underbody, and trucks a dirty black color. This is the best part of the entire process, pulling off the masking tape to reveal the final paint job. Beautiful. I am using San Juan decals part number SGD-700. The letterboard is cut as close to the text as possible, soaked in water and slid into position. The same is done with the name of the car. I let the decals dry for a while. Once most of the water has evaporated, I then wick a decal setting solution under the decals. Be careful not to wipe this solution over the top of the decal very much, as it will cause the text to run and become blurry. Now that the decals are fully set and dry, I spray the car with Tester's dull coat to give the paint and decals a nice even finish. It is time to set the window glass. It is an acetate strip and some trimming will be required. Once it fits flush in the car, I put a small amount of super glue in along the edge to hold it in place. I do the same with the end windows. On the final stretch now, I use tacky glue to install the interior. I find this holds well but allows me to remove it later if I need to do any work to the car in the future. I install the wheel sets into the trucks and make tests that they roll well. Occasionally, a little work with a small drill, hobby knife, or a special truck reamere is needed to clean up the bearing cups. The trucks are installed onto the underframe with the 632 screws. Sometimes a small spacer is necessary. This can be cut from styrene with a sharp hobby knife or use standard washers. The underframe is installed with the same tacky glue.